In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use GPT-4 for free. That's right, you can access the powerful capabilities of GPT-4 without spending a dime, and I'm here to walk you through the process step by step so you can start using it today. First things first, you'll need to open your preferred web browser. It doesn't matter whether you're using Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser, just make sure it's updated to the latest version for the best experience. Once your browser is up and running, the next step is to navigate over to the ChatGPT website. You can do this by typing ChatGPT into your search engine, or you can directly enter the website URL if you have it. The website is your gateway to accessing GPT-4 for free, so go ahead and click on the link to get started. Once you're on the ChatGPT website, you'll notice a few different options for using their model. Here's the important part. You'll be wanting to select the free tier. This is crucial because this tier has recently been upgraded to include access to GPT-4 level capabilities. Previously, this might not have been the case, so if you haven't checked in a while, it's worth looking now as you're getting access to advanced AI technology without any cost. Now that you've selected the free tier, it's time to create a new chat session. On the ChatGPT main page, there should be an option to start a new chat. This will open up a fresh session for you to interact with the AI. Once your new chat is ready, you can begin by typing in your prompt. You might be wondering what to say. Really, you can ask it anything. Whether you're looking for information, writing help, or just wanting to experiment with some creative outputs, GPT-4 is highly capable of handling a wide variety of queries. If you're new to interacting with AI, here's a tip. Be as clear and specific as possible with your prompts to get the best results. If you're looking for help with writing, provide context and let the AI know exactly what you need assistance with. As you type your inputs and hit enter, you'll see GPT-4 generating its responses in real time. And there you have it. You're now ready to make full use of GPT-4's impressive capabilities at no cost. Take your time to experiment with different questions and inputs, and you might be surprised at just how versatile this technology is. Remember, this tool is continuously learning and improving, providing you with smarter responses as time goes on. Thanks for watching, and enjoy exploring the world of possibilities with GPT-4 for free.